Hi children, today we are going to sing the song Good Night, a Russian song from our songbook. Now take out your songbook and open to the page and we shall start. Let's take a look at the score first. Now, this is written in 2/4. What is 2/4? That means we are singing this song in 2 time. So, can we start now? Soon, 1, 2, here we start. Soon night will come, quieting the sun. Silence the sound of the night coming through. Up to here. Can anybody tell me how many times did I take the breath? Yes, it is only 1 time. So, how long is the phrase? Soon night will come, quieting the sun. Yes, it is actually a 4 bars phrase. So make sure you can have the enough energy, sit up straight and sing the whole phrase nicely. Second question. In the first phrase, there is one rhythm that is slightly different from the rest, and it is slightly shorter. Can anybody figure it out? It is the word quiet. Do you know how does a horse gallop? Dung, 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 dung. Yes, that's how a horse gallops. So it's long, short, long, short, long, short. I need you to sing in quieting the sun, quieting the sun. Can we try the first phrase and the second phrase again? Soon night will come, quieting the sun. Silence the sounds of the night coming through. Let's continue. Hear the wind whispering to you. Is there any gallop sound here? Yes, the word whisper. Let's try one more time. Hear the wind whispering to you. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Good night, my sweet one. Good night, my dear one. Good night, my sweet one, to you. Good night. Now we are at the second page. Look at the second page. Just now, we have learned about a slur and a tie. In this phrase, the slur and the tie appear together. Can you tell me, where are they? Where is the tie? Where is the slur? Yes, the tie appears at the word night. So how many counts do we need to hold it? Yes, it is actually 4 counts. Night. So remember, you can hold it for 4 counts, yeah? What about the slur? Where is the slur? Yes, it appears here. It's the word sweet. Do you see that? Yes. So the whole phrase should be, good night, my sweet one, to you. Good night. So remember, our phrasing is another long one. And this time it's a little bit different because there are 5 bars. I'm sure you can do it. Okay, now let's go back to here. Hear the wind whispering to you. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Good night, my sweet one. Do you hear I took a short breath? How do I know where should I take a short breath? Now, there is a comma here. This comma means we have to take a short breath. So what should you do? Sleep, sleep, sleep. Good night, my sweet one. Can you try? Good. What about the next good? Sleep, sleep, sleep. Good night, my sweet one. Good night, my dear one. Do I start my good on the beat? No, I start the good after the beat. This kind of rhythm, how many times did it appear? Let's check. Here there's one. And the starting of the last phrase in the second page as well. So there are two times. Remember, don't get it wrong. Let's try from the beginning one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. Soon night will come, quieting the sun. Silence the sound of the night coming through. Hear the wind whispering, whispering to you. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Good night, my sweet one. Good night, my dear one. Good night, my sweet one, to you. Good night. That's all. Thank you.